How to create LinkedIn account. Let's get started. First up, download LinkedIn app on your device. Once you download it, launch it. Now click on the option Agree and Join. Now go ahead and provide the first name and last name. Type in Continue. Now type in your email address over here. Now generate password for your account. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me, or else you can uncheck this option. Now click on Continue. Now you have to set up these. Your profile helps you discover new people and opportunities. Enable for this option I'm a student. Then provide your location, university or school name, start year and end year. If you are over 16, enable for this option. Once you provide these, click on Next. If you want to add a photo, you can click on this option. If not, you can skip it for now. Now you'll be receiving verification code in the email address that you have just entered. Check your mail and type in that code over here. Then click on Next. Now you have to provide answer to these questions. Are you looking for a job? Select the option that is suitable for you. Just answer all of these, and with that your account will be created. So this is how you can easily create your LinkedIn account. Now I can go ahead and set up all these. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.